Good day, and welcome to today's update on the Mumbai Pulse market. As we continue to track market movements, we observe a mix of price stability and declines across various pulse varieties. Let's dive into the latest trends and analysis to provide you with a comprehensive view of the market conditions. Starting with Pigeon Pea, TOR, we saw a slight decline in the prices of lemon tur, which dropped by 75 rupees, bringing the price to 9,650 rupees per quintal. Despite this, Sudan tur held steady, maintaining its position at 10,500 rupees per quintal, reflecting a balanced demand and supply dynamic in this particular variety. Similarly, the prices of red Lakoti tur stayed firm at 8,300 rupees per quintal, showing no significant movement. However, the Mozambique varieties faced a downturn, with Gajar tur seeing a decrease of 100 rupees, now trading at 9,000 rupees per quintal. Mozambique white tur followed the same downward trend, dropping by 100 rupees to trade at 9,100 rupees per quintal. These fluctuations suggest that the international supply chain, particularly from Africa, may be influencing prices in the domestic market. Moving on to pea, Matar, this segment of the market has been stable, showing little movement across different varieties. Russian yellow peas were quoted at 3,800 rupees per quintal, maintaining their previous price level. Similarly, Canada yellow peas continued to trade at 4,100 rupees per quintal, demonstrating steady demand. Even the Matar varieties from different ports like Hajira and Mundra showed consistency. Russian yellow peas ex-Hajira port remained stable at 3,800 rupees per quintal, while Canada yellow peas ex-Hajira port quoted 3,900 rupees per quintal. The same pattern was observed with Russian yellow peas ex-Mundra port and Canada yellow peas ex-Mundra port, which held steady at 3,800 rupees and 3,900 rupees per quintal, respectively. This stability highlights balanced supply levels in the market, with no major disruptions affecting pricing. Next, we shift to urad, where we noticed a slight price decline. The price of FAQ urad decreased by 75 rupees, bringing it down to 8,375 rupees per quintal in the early session of trading. This dip could reflect a combination of easing demand and a stable arrival of supplies into the market. Now, let's discuss the chickpea, chana, market, which also showed varied trends. The Sudan variety of chana remained steady, with prices quoting 8,150 rupees per quintal. Similarly, the Tanzania variety of chana held its position at 7,050 rupees per quintal, indicating no major fluctuations in demand. However, Australia chana prices saw a minor decline of 50 rupees, bringing the price to 7,500 rupees per quintal. This drop in the Australian variety suggests shifting buyer interest, potentially in favor of more competitively priced alternatives. In the lentil, masoor, segment, there were noticeable declines in several varieties. Canada masoor, ex-Mundra port, saw a 50 rupees decrease, now quoted at 5,950 rupees per quintal. Meanwhile, Canada masoor ex-Hajira port held its ground, maintaining 6,000 rupees per quintal, showing stable demand in this specific variety. Canada crimson, stored in containers, followed the broader trend of decline, dropping by 50 rupees to trade at 6,100 rupees per quintal. Similarly, the Australian varieties, Nipper and Jambo, both saw price reductions of 50 rupees. Australia Nipper now trades at 6,100 rupees per quintal, while Australia Jambo is priced at 6,150 rupees per quintal. The overall downward trend in lentil prices could be due to easing global demand or an uptick in supply, balancing out the market. In conclusion, today's pulse market presented a mixed bag of price movements. While some segments, like Matar, remained stable, others, such as tur, urad, chana, and masoor, experienced varying degrees of price declines. These fluctuations offer valuable insights into the current market dynamics and could signal potential shifts in demand and supply in the days to come. As always, staying updated with the latest market trends is crucial for making informed decisions. Thank you for tuning into today's update. Be sure to subscribe and stay informed with the latest analysis and trends in the commodity markets. See you in the next update.